Former liberation war fighters under the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association, ZNLWVA, have called President Mnangagwa to order, urging him to respect citizens. Sambena mashoko ataona aiwa mawo veterans ari kuzama nepanogona napo vachiti aiwa toda kudzikamisa mutungamiri wenyika Mnangagwa kuti varespecte macitizens kuti vosubscribe like kuti na on the bell icon. Timna mzimu ayanyora vachiti this warning comes after the government threatened to clamp down on people, accusing them of engaging in subversive activities. ZNLWVA chairperson Andreas Ethan Matibela told reporters in Bulawayo on Friday that the government must stop making idle threats against its people and instead address the issues causing citizens to voice. Acting Home Affairs Minister Jennifer Muswere on Friday threatened those engaging in subversive activities, stating that their days are numbered. Muswere accused the opposition, some politicians, and certain civil society organizations, CSOs, of attempting to instigate anarchy and despondency. Domashika rubuda pana vatonto aiwa veterans ari kuya nemakonzeni avari kureza uchiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika ngarespecte macitizens aiwa kuratidzire kana zvangoda kuita ngavaregere vaitwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu noti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Nhau yatokora moto notaura kuti aiwa kuma-war veterans achatowirirani autopokana na Home Affairs Minister vaJennifer Muswere. Tudze mafunguro enyu pine comment section medu, subscribe kulike, turn on the bell icon.